Welcome to Welcome Coaching Home. Now we will discuss about G.C.F. That means greatest common factor. Greatest greatest common factor. At first you will find out of any number factor. What are the factors of, as a, if we example as a, and a problem 15. What are the factors of 15? This is the number 1. If we will try to find out if any number of factor, what are the factors of 1? How will you find out it? Which number is divisible by 15? These are called factor of this number. This number is divided by 1, this number is divided by 3, this number is divided by 5, this number is divided by 15, and this number is called a factor. You find this problem in another way. These are 15 ones are 15. This is the divided by same way, but someone will find out it another way. 5 3s are 15. For that you will find this problem 1 3 5 15. In the same way you will find this factor. Now we have already completed it. How will you find out the factor of this number? In this time, our main problem is how we will find out the G.C.F. That means greatest common factor. In the number of 2, there are 12 and 18. Now this is the question, how will you find out the factor of this number? That means not subfactor, not factor. Greatest common factor. How will you find this number? Find the greatest common factor. At first you find out the factor of this number. This number is divisible by 1. 1 is the common factor of any number. It is the main logical gate. There are also in mathematical logical gate. 1 is the common factor of any number. Now you find out that the number of the factor of the 12. 1, 2, 3. This number is divided by 4 also, 6 and 12. And now another number is there to 18. This number is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And there are the more factor of this number. As like as 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factor of 18. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factor of 12. Now, if we write down there, the factor of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The factor of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now, second step is common factor. Common factor is there are common. How will you find out the common? And what do you mean by common? Common, that means যদি এখানে দুইটা নাম্বার থাকে মানে 2 number or 3 number there are given, you will find the factor. These are the common factor. These number are given same time there. 1 is given there, 1 is given there. These are common. There are given 2, there are given 2. These are common. There are given 3, there are given 3. These are common factor of 12 and 18. There are given 4, but there are not given 4. So it is not a common factor. There are given 6, there are given 6. These are common factor. There are 18, but there are not 18. So it is not common factor. There are given 9, but there are not given 9. It is not common factor. There are 18, there is not 18. So it is not a common factor. So at the stage of one stage, we have already find out that 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor. And therefore G.C.F. what is the greatest? Greatest is 6. In this there what is the greatest factor is 6. That's all, sir.